Nicholas at Elm Street Bakery in East Aurora, and I'm making Quiche Lorraine. If we want to be a bakery, we should be able to execute a really nice pie. Savory pie is something that's really easy to be able to execute. That's what quiche is, savory pie. Welcome to Dig in Buffalo, brought to you by Milk for Health. Think of it like biscuit dough. You should have kind of those craggly cracks on the outside. That's contributing to like flakiness. Cooking has always been kind of like an escape. I did a study abroad trip to Italy, which is where I actually met my wife, and I took a cooking class there. And I get really emotional because the professor, she grabbed my face and she said, never stop cooking. And I have. Super powerful. I got married last year in Italy. We're having a baby now. I couldn't ask for anything better. So the next step of quiche making, this is the filling. So there's sweetness in the bacon, there's sweetness in the shallot, and then the only other thing that I need is a little bit of white wine to deglaze. So I'm just gonna go right in with my filling. I'm gonna go with the Gruyere cheese and then the eggs. So with quiche, if you have room temperature eggs going into the filling, you're gonna bake a little bit faster, but also more evenly. All these flavors I think of on a really good steak: bacon, onion, Gruyere cheese, quintessential savory flavors. That's it. This is Elm Street Bakery's Quiche Lorraine. It's pretty nice. Good jiggle.